That's why we are very careful when it comes to the spelling of your name, how your names are being pronounced, because that is a fact. Okay? When somebody asks you, how old are you? Ang ba din suki mo? Tinumod kay masuhong na. So these are the facts. Now let's move to opinion, because we were talking about opinion. Because I know right now, I just got the information that some of you are still busy when it comes to opinion writing, like proposed editorial and column writing. That's what I gave you. Last I think that day, what I was presenting is not like this. I was using the advanced slides. And then I realized that that shouldn't be done because they're still basic. And the slides that were presented right in Bibinan should have been ready for the advanced learners. And then again, learn ko lang ito, no? So, group number 4, can you read? Define an opinion. Ready, go?
An opinion is a statement that shows what a person thinks, feels, or believes.
Alright, so it is a statement that shows what a person thinks, feels, and believes. Okay, what are the two qualities of opinion? Two qualities. Group number 1. Alright, so we talk about opinion as a personal belief or a claim. So that's going to be part and parcel of the editorial and column writing that you're going to be dealing with. Another one is group number 2. Can you read? Opinion, ready, go?
An opinion can't be proved.
Okay, an opinion can't be proved. Is that correct? Okay, yung sa may pinag-agulong, we talk about opinion, no kaya na, when it can't be proved. When you're seeing that, mag-reach out to you, ano din? Also, I'm yung student, okay, so when we talk about opinion, it is not actually, there's no proof to that. Now, opinion claims contains belief and thoughts. What else? Have emotional language, should, that's and words, and cannot be proven. Okay, let's practice your opinion right now. Let's go. A statement is a fact when you answer yes. Is the statement true? So when we talk about opinion, these are the words associated with it. I'd like to request group number 3 to stand. Group number 3, where's group number 3? Number 3, I'm gonna tulog, can you read together? Facts or evidence for signal words. Ready, go. June, ready, go. Okay, what's the different word for the facts?
Specific date, in the year, according to